If Gmail is showing error code 14, don't worry. This usually points to a temporary loading issue, a sync problem, or a browser session glitch, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that can save you a lot of time, especially if Gmail is stuck loading, not opening properly, or not responding the way it should. And before we get into the steps, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's check whether the problem is actually on Google's side. Open your browser and go to the Google Workspace Status dashboard. This page shows you the current status of Gmail and other Google services, so if there is an outage, you'll know right away that the issue may not be on your device. If Gmail is having a service problem, the best thing to do is wait until Google resolves it. If the service is working normally, the next step is to refresh Gmail directly. Go to your Gmail inbox and reload the page. Sometimes error code 14 appears because the current session didn't load correctly, and a simple refresh can reconnect everything properly. If the page still doesn't load, close the tab completely and open Gmail again in a fresh tab or window. If that does not fix it, the next thing to try is clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Gmail loading correctly. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure you remove cached images and files. After clearing the cache, reopen Gmail and sign in again if needed. This often resolves temporary display and session issues. Now, if Gmail is still showing error code 14, your browser extensions may be the cause. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interrupt how Gmail loads. Open your browser's extensions menu, then go to Manage Extensions and temporarily turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions. After disabling them, refresh Gmail and check whether the error is gone. If Gmail works after that, you found the source of the problem. If you want to narrow it down even further, you can also try opening Gmail in an incognito or private window. That gives you a cleaner session with fewer extensions running, which makes it easier to tell whether the issue is browser related. If Gmail works in incognito mode, then the problem is most likely your cache, cookies, or an extension in the regular browser window. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes Gmail error code 14. The service status check tells you whether Google is having an issue, refreshing Gmail clears a temporary loading error, clearing cache removes corrupted browser data, and disabling extensions helps rule out conflicts. In most cases, you won't need to do anything more advanced than that. If this guide helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful Gmail and tech troubleshooting videos. And if you still can't get Gmail working, leave a comment describing exactly what you're seeing and I'll help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.